As you can see, I've got 5 colors poured up here. I know it has some bubbles in it. I've got turquoise green by Master's Touch, and I have yellow ochre, which is Master's Touch. DecoArt, I've got Dioxazine Purple and Tropical Blue and Indian Turquoise. So I wanted to do a multi-bloom. I've been dying to try to do that. So let's just see what happens here. I'm going to be using my pillow paint is the Color Place White, which I have the recipe for that down below. And then I found, I'm so, I love it. Like I mentioned in the last video, I love talented people. So as we use straws, look at this. Someone has made these. They come off so you can clean them and everything, but different sizes, little tips in there. Anyway, I thought they were pretty cool, and especially if you're going to be doing multiple things and need to really lean over, I thought these would be a big help for that. So we'll see. I thought they were pretty cool. Whoops. I'll put my pillow, but it's going to kind of need to go everywhere. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see all these bubbles, but I hadn't refilled my little, the little thing that sprays out the heat. I haven't refilled it yet, so I'm just going to pop these with my little toothpick thing. And it probably won't be a problem because they're going to spread out anyway. So, let's see where to start. Let's let purple be lucky getting them go in the middle here. And my Indian turquoise. It's kind of hard to decide, but I want them layered differently because with the different layers, they're gonna show up differently, and I want them to be related but different. The yellow ochre is one of my favorites because it kind of, I don't know, it's not such a bright yellow, but it, anyway, I don't know, one of my favorites. Now I know this is going to sound weird, but I am going to use black as my CELL activator. Hope it's not weird. Yeah, the fun part will be picking a straw and finding a clean place to put a straw. See how this works. Okay, we've got a lot of little variations going on there. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna spin and then see what we get here. Wow, okay. Really like that where the purple came out predominant, so let's go with filling in a couple of little spots here if we got enough paint here. Now what'll be fun is to play around with, different backgrounds, and then what I wanted to kind of get a feel for is how close to put those little puddles together. Oh wow, that looks pretty cool. That one kind of just went on off there, but it looks cool. See what do I have enough of to do another one in these middle sections here. I have just totally got the dropsies. Well, I saw a spot a while ago. I thought, I want to blow on that some more, but I don't know which one. Interesting. I was going to see what happens here if we kind of stretch a little bit. I don't want to lose everything on here, and we may have, not sent off enough. But anyway, that's pretty cool. Again, I play around, when I do my next one, I'm definitely going to play around with some different backgrounds. Whoops. Darn it. Touch something and mess it up. This definitely gives me some great ideas. I hope it gives you some kind of inspiration and ideas to try your color combinations, a different background. But I like where the thought is going. And again, I hope it gives you some inspiration, because I don't know, I think it's got a lot of potential to do something really, really cool. Yeah, and got super great lacing. I did, my little wheels are spinning now, people. They're spinning. Yeah, I really like this. I'm loving all of it. I do wish, which, this is why you experiment. You figure these things out. I do wish I had either done bigger puddles, more puddles, or used a different background. and just have that show through instead of the white. But other than that, I love how they worked out. So anyway, let me know if this gave you any ideas, and I'd love to hear how it worked for you. So thank you all for being here. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, subscribers, and if you're just joining or just found me, I hope you'll subscribe as well. So get to pouring, folks, and I'll see you next time.